Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the top plane. So we'll select here the exit plane, rotate the view, take the rectangle command and take a 2-point center rectangle. From this center point, we are going to construct a rectangle. Now go to dimension, define the horizontal dimension as 120 mm and the vertical dimension here will be 80 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Here take extrude and take distance of 15 mm and press OK. Now here go to the fillet command and take a fillet radius of 10 mm. Go to edge selection, select all the 4 corners, third and this last will be fourth and press OK. Go to home. Okay. Now here select this top face, go to create sketch. Here take the point command, drag the cursor on this and select this point. Similarly select here and here select here. Now finish sketch. Now here we'll take the hole command and we'll take here counter bore. Okay. The top dia of this hole we will define as 26 mm. Okay. And the depth here will be of 3 mm and the bottom dia here will be of 13 mm. Okay. Now you can see the transformation and press OK. Okay. Now select this face again, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command. From the center point, make here a circle of diameter 63. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Here we are going to take extrude of 75 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch. Take circle command. From this center point, make a diameter 32 mm. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Here we are going to take extrude of 5 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here we'll rotate the profile. Now select this bottom, select this face, go to create sketch. Take point command and place point on center. Finish. Take the hole command. This time also we will take counter bore and this time we will define the distance. Okay. And here we will take the drill point will be flat. The top dia here will be of 42 mm. Okay. And the C bore will be of 10 mm. And the total depth here will be of 75 and the bottom dia here will be of 30 mm. Now press OK. So this will create a internal hole here. Okay. Now go to home. Now here go to part 3. You constructed all these profiles. Now we are going to construct this cutout. Go to part 1. Go to origin. And here we are going to select the YZ plane. Go to create sketch. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, sketch. Take the rectangle command. Take 2-point center rectangle. Make the rectangle profile. Go to dimension. Here from bottom, this top end, we will define it at 16 mm. Okay, height of 30 and this width of 20 mm. Okay, go to vertical constraint. Okay, we will take a horizontal constraint as this is right view. Select the center and select this center. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Here we will take symmetric extrude and from here we will take all and here we will click on cut. So this will make the cut profile. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. So this will create a through hole and press OK. Now here go to 3D model, take fillet command and take a fillet radius of 3 mm. Go to edge selection, select here, select this bottom, select this edge, this and this. Okay, select this corner, rotate the profile, select this, select here and select here. Okay, go to home and select here also. Now press OK. So these are the profiles. Now here go to part 3. Okay, we have a top hole as well. Okay, so for the top hole, go to part 1, select this face, go to create sketch, take circle command, make here diameter 10, finish sketch, go to extrude and select this hole, take here cut, and here we are going to take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Okay, now we will define the appearance here. From here we will take the yellow color, press Y and enter. Okay, so this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodeskinventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.